Hey guys, this is Shivashamana and you are watching my YouTube channel. Today I am going to give you a few basic tips on street photography. So what is called street photography? Street photography is a type of photography where you get the actual flavor of street. My senior said, if you want to do street photography, you have to be the street dog first. So let's be the street dog for today. Now, for starting the street photography, you have to think about the camera setting. Now, what camera setting actually you need? Listen, first, all the subject on the street photography is movable. For this, you need at least 1 by 125 shutter speed for the basic. And if you ask me, I would recommend you to take the photo in aperture priority mode. You can play with the depth of field of the subject. Now, next you have to think about the light and shadow. For light and shadows explanation, I selected few photos of mine for explanation. So switch over to the screen. The first image on the shadow and highlight, you can see here under the light the subject is here, but the rest of the frame under the shadow area. So here the light separated my subject from rest of the frame, and you can see here your view first going to the subject and after that rest of the frame. So I engage my viewer on the rest of the frame and separated my subject through the light. Next this is another image, black and white image for the light and shadow. Here with the highlighted area I separated my subject from rest of the frame. You can see this highlighted area and this highlighted area and the shadows separated my subject from rest of the frame. You can see others here, the highlighted, all the highlighted areas in here, but the shadow area separated my subject from rest of the frame. Here the theme of the street photography is here, morning time, refreshment with tea, office workers, they're going to the office. So a complete flavor of the street. Activities on the street. So how do you click the activities on the street? You have to keep your eyes wide open on the street and you have to notice each and every activity on the street, and among all the activity you have to find out your subject, and after that be first, be closer and click your subject. But before that you have to think about your safety. Now what I did for clicking these photos, here in this photo this is my subject, the lame man coming down from the vehicle, and you can feel the struggle of this lame man, and you can feel the expression of the face, the sad expression, the struggle of the poster. But here also you can see few smiling faces, few happy faces, which established a contrast with the happy and sad. And when I was clicking this photo, I couldn't get chance to keep the viewfinder on my eyes because it happened so fast that I just holding my camera on my hand and I just click. So because of that you have to know the lenses and your lens, how much it covers your lens. If you are using 18mm lens, so how much the 18mm covers. If you use the 10mm lens or 24mm lens, you have to know how much it covers, because in this situation you cannot get chance to keep the viewfinder on your eyes. So you have to click according to your subject. Next photo. Here this photo is little bit sentimental photo. This is just a photo, I am not hurting any sentiment, anything. So here you can see this human and this animal both are responding with the nature's call, and this is a fraction of second or few seconds you will get. So keep your eyes wide open and notice each and everything happening on the street. Now the resemble on the street. For the resembles, I like to work with posters. Posters give you so much contrast on your subject, and the composition, your photos no need any caption for explanation or the theme. Here I'll show you few photos of mine where you can easily understand how I use the poster on the street. In this photo you can see a male dominating human being showing a stick to a woman, and the woman's face condition is whatever you can do, I don't tolerate. So both this subject I no need to explain, but you can easily understand what's going on the frame and what is the composition of the frame. Next, there is another photo where I'll zoom the photo and I'll show you the resemblance. Here you can see the frame, the hairstyle, the mark on the cheek, and here you see the frame, the hairstyle and the cheek. This is the poster and this is the paper hawker taking rest on the street. So you have to find out all of this type of resemblance on the street for your photography. When you will get all this type of poster, your photograph definitely will be remarkable and award-winning photographs. Now the last topic about the portrait on the street. Definitely you will not get the glamorous portrait on the street, but you can click the mood on the street, the flavor of the people on the street. For this section of photography, you have to notice the mood. You have to click the ultimate mood of the people, where you can show the emotion of the people, the struggle of the people on the street. This lady is not feeling comfortable under the huge sunlight, and this furrows on her face showing the struggle of that lady, and the costume of that lady showing the tradition and the culture of the subject. This is a portrait I clicked under the setting of zoom burst, and if you want to know what is zoom burst and how to click the photos under the setting of zoom burst, please write down the comment section. I'll definitely make one more video on zoom burst. And no more discussion on this. There is a smiling face on the street and you can click everywhere this smiling face. So take the mood, see the mood, click the mood and click the portrait on the street. So this much for today. I think it will be helpful for you. Again I'm saying, be safe and be brave for click on the street. Bang bang.